Pre-construction. To be built. Pre-construction to be built. New construction from Smith Custom Homes. Quality and value comes along with our floor plan on this 1.92 acre lot in the gated, deed-restricted, heavily wooded equestrian community. Homesteads of Saddlewood. Take the opportunity to personalize your very own 2642 square feet 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom luxury home. Design and build can be customized to fit your exact needs and budget. This luxury home has a 14 vaulted ceiling, 8 feet doors, 20 by 20 porcelain tile and high-end finishes. You'll appreciate the open island kitchen, GE stainless steel appliances, solid wood cabinets, granite counters, and plush carpeting in the bedrooms. The great room, master bedroom and second bedroom opens to a wonderful covered lanai overlooking a preservation area. Automatic garage door, gorgeous landscaping, and an irrigation system let you live effortlessly amongst your ancient oaks, pine and orange trees. Incredible options available include an outdoor kitchen, pool and horse stable. Low HOA and NO CDD. Saddlewood residents have access to miles of trails for horseback riding, hiking, and bicycling on the 7,400-acre Cypress Creek Preserve. Our 1-year builder warranty, 2-year mechanical warranty, and a 10-year structural warranty gives you peace of mind. We have the pathway to your dream home. Come live your dream. Pictures are from the previous new constructions, and other, similar, models and may not fully represent the completed construction.